Welcome back to Sangkap Sarap TV. Today, we're making a rich and creamy Tuscan chicken that's packed with garlic, fresh tomatoes, Parmesan, and spinach. Imagine tender, golden brown chicken bathed in a luscious creamy sauce infused with Italian herbs, a perfect dish for weeknight dinners or impressing your family and friends. Get ready to bring restaurant-quality Tuscan flavors straight to your own kitchen. Ingredients: for chicken breasts, boneless, 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon paprika, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 3 cloves garlic, minced, 1 cup heavy cream/all-purpose cream, half a cup chicken broth, half a cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1 cup fresh spinach, thin strips, chopped thin, 2 medium fresh tomatoes, finely chopped, 1 teaspoon Italian herbs, oregano, basil, or thyme, choose one or mix. Salt and pepper to taste. Procedure: season the chicken breasts with salt, pepper, and paprika. Heat olive oil in a pan over medium heat. Cook the chicken for about 5 to 6 minutes per side until golden brown and fully cooked. Remove from the pan and set aside. In the same pan, sauté the garlic until fragrant. Add the chopped fresh tomatoes and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until slightly softened. Pour in the heavy cream and chicken broth, let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Stir in the Parmesan cheese until melted and smooth. Add the spinach and Italian herbs. Stir until the spinach wilts. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Return the chicken to the pan and let it simmer in the sauce for another 2 to 3 minutes to absorb the flavors. Serve with mashed potatoes, pasta, or rice. And there you have it, your creamy Tuscan chicken is ready to serve. Juicy, flavorful, and smothered in that irresistible creamy sauce. If you enjoyed this recipe, like this video. Comment your favorite side dish to pair it with. Subscribe to Sangkap Sarap TV and hit the notification bell so you never miss a delicious recipe. Share this with friends and family. Let's make every meal a restaurant-worthy experience at home.